With a Schutt Log Homes log cabin kit, the process is simple, organized, and DIY friendly. Whether it's a concrete slab, crawl space, or basement, a solid foundation is where every great cabin begins. Every component is labeled, making construction easier and faster. As each oak log is placed, your cabin starts to take shape with the timeless look only real oak can provide. Open floor plans and exposed beams create the classic log home feel. Once the rafters and decking are in place, your cabin is protected from the elements and really begins to look like home. Natural light pours in, bringing warmth and character to every room. From rustic to modern country, you can customize your cabin to match your style and budget. A real oak log home is made to last for generations. Simply build it with Schutt Log Homes.